C-A-T. What is the picture given, ma, below? See that picture and read the word. C-A-T. Cat. I-S. Is F-A-T. What is F-A-T? How is the cat? How is the cat? F-A-T. What is that F-A-T? See how is the cat? It's very fat, right? Jahnavi, it is fat. F-A-T. Fat. Okay? Okay, thank you, Jahnavi. Next, Rohita. Fat. Okay, thank you so much, Jahnavi. Next is Rohita. Read the sentence. Read the sentence, Rohita. Yeah, good morning, Nikita.
C D E D T.
What is C-A-T, Rohita?
What is CAT ante?
CT and the cat.
Good job. Idi
I-S.
IS ante?
F
Is
Asa.
C
Is. Is.
ఇదండి
C
F-A-T.
FAT
FAT
చెప్పు FAT
FAT mummy.
That you know. Come and say that word.
fat
F-A-T. See that cat, how it is. It's fat, right? The cat is fat. Okay? Okay, thank you, Rohita. Finish your breakfast. I'll call you later, okay? Nukshita.
I
Good morning, Siddharth.
am
Siddharth and Rohita, mute yourself. Come on.
I am
Siddharth and Rohita, mute yourself. Nukshita,
happy.
read the sentence, ma.
I
Very good, Nukshita. Okay, I am happy. I heard you. Next one.
yes H
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
No, this
What
one.
is S-H-E?
C
I.
She. Very good.
ఇక్కడ చూడు
I-S.
look at the IS
yes
is very
Ah,
good.
very good.
H
అది కాదమ్మా
I-H. H.
is next one. What is the letter?
Point it out, ma. Keep your pointer finger in the screen and you read.
Which letter?
H.
ఇది this one అమ్మా ఈ కాదు ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ చూడు H.
H.
Mm.
Hmm.
Mm.
Hmm.
Mm.
Hmm.
Which letter? Last. This one అమ్మా P P. Y.
What is it? H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Very good. Next we'll go it. Okay, this one.
What is this letter? This one. First one.
N
Hey, no ma. This one amma.
Nukshita, concentrate. Focus. T-H-E. The. Very good, Nukshita. Next.
Next.
C
Hey, Tehan.
No, Tehan, don't teach her. Come on, Nukshita. I can see you, Tehan. Naughty boy. Come on.
See.
yeah T
What is this?
cat
Yes.
Cat.
Look at the screen, Ammu. Which letter?
I-S.
yes
Yes.
yes is
Very good. Next.
Very good, Nukshita. Next.
ఇది
F.
F kan.
yeah N
This T అమ్మది N కాదు.
T. F-A-T. F-A-T is cat. What is F sound?
fat
Right. Fat. Very good, Nukshita. Next sentence, okay? This one.
Look at this screen. మమ్మీ జూమ్
Yesterday you were absent, no? So all the sentences you have to read it today. Come on.
టెల్ మీ అక్కడ చూడరా
D.
H.
ఏంటి టీహెచ్ విచ్ లెటర్
H. H.
ఇక్కడ చూ
T-H-E.
E.
Who is disturbing you, Nukshita? Your brother, huh? Your brother is disturbing you. Tehan, no Tehan. Let her concentrate and read. Come on, read.
మనం చూడు ఇక్కడే చూడు లుక్ అట్ ద స్క్రీన్
T-H-E.
T. H. E.
The. Very good.
చెప్పు
C. N.
T.
Cat.
Cat. The cat.
నెక్స్ట్ వన్ దిస్ వన్ క్యాట్ పక్కన చూడండి
Cat. I. Yes. What?
అది నెక్స్ట్ ఐఎస్ ఏమో
I-S. What is I-S?
I. Yes. Ice.
ఐఎస్ ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు
I-S. Aisa.
ఈజ్ ఐఎస్
Is. O-N.
On. On.
Again. T-H-E.
T. H. E. E.
D. Okay. M-A-T.
M. T.
M-A-T. M-A-T. See that picture. What is that picture? That is M-A-T. What is that?
వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్
Mat.
మ్యాట్
Very good, Nukshita. Mat. Very good. Now come on. Read this.
Jen.
నో ఇంకేంది క్యాన్
I-T.
టీ అది టీ ఎన్ కాదు
T. T.
T.
I-T.
I. T. It.
It. I-S.
Is.
Is. Next. A should not say it as A. It is A. What is the sound of A? Right. So it is A. Next.
వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్
Cup.
1 minute
Very good. C-U-P. Cup. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Nukshita. Mute yourself.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am.
Yeah. Good morning, Naite. Come on, read this sentence, Naite. Good morning, Darshika.
I. T. It. I. S. Is. A. C. U. P. Cup.
Very good morning, Zedi. Mute yourself, Zedi. Come on.
Good morning. Good morning.
Naite, read this.
T. T. H. E. T. H. E.
The.
The. C. A. T. The. Cat. I. S. Is. O. N. In.
Oh. Oh, is in, na?
ഓന്റെ സൗണ്ട് എന്താ
O. N. On. T. H. E. The. M. A. T. M. N. M. A. T. M. N. T.
M-N-T. M-A-T. Look at the picture below.
Mat.
Yeah, very good. This one.
വായിക്കേ
T. H. E. The. C.
സ്പീഡിൽ വായിക്കേ
C. A. T. Cat. I. S. Is. U. N.
B. Is it B?
D
D. D. Hmm.
D E R
UND.
Under.
Very good, Nitek. Hmm.
T H E the B E D
Picture வர
Hmm.
bed.
Yeah, good. The cat is under the bed. High five, Nitek. Very good boy, Nitek. Okay. What happened to your audio? Echoing. Who is near you, Nitek?
It's Naitik's mother, ma'am.
Yeah, what happened to your
Maybe some issue with the phone, ma'am.
Okay. Mute yourself, Nitik. Thank you, Nitik. Very good, Nitik. And then good morning, Danvin. Good morning, Kavyarni. Kavyarni, I want you to read the sentence, Kavyarni. Yeah, Siddharth, I'll call you, Siddharth. Good morning, Ritvik. Children, everyone will get the chance. Since yesterday I left out some children, right? Those children I'm going to ask today. Okay, and then once we finish the worksheet also, I'll ask you, okay?
Morning,
Good morning, Kavyarni. Come on, read out this sentence. Forgot.
The
Very good.
C A T. What, ma'am?
See the picture below, ma. CAT. What is that picture? Cat. For that only I've given you picture.
Cat.
Hmm.
Cat.
Hmm.
IS is
Hmm.
IF.
IF.
Yeah.
F. Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
T.
Hmm. FAT.
For
Eh? For at. What is for at? What is it? What is this? Fat. Very good. Next, this one. This is very easy. Come on.
and smiley.
No, read out the sentence, ma.
And number
Read the sentence, kana. I am, am.
A-M-M.
I am.
I am
H.
H.
Mm.
A.
Mm.
P.
Mm.
P.
Mm.
Y.
Mm.
Smiley.
HAPPY is happy. Is that smiley? Happy face. Okay, so it is happy. Okay. Next, the same word.
Read out.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. H.
Mm.
E.
Mm.
SHE.
SHE. He or she?
She.
She.
IS is
Mm.
H.
Mm.
A.
Mm.
P.
Mm.
Y.
One
Happy.
P only you read. HAPPY. Happy. Okay?
Happy.
Okay, thank you so much, Kavyarni. Next is Danvin.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Danvin.
படி
IS is
அதுக்கு முன்னாடி
Point it out with your pointer finger. I said you every day. I used to tell you, children, whenever you read the sentence, point it out with your pointer finger and read.
படி
SSC.
எஸ்ஹெச்இ என்னது மேம் பார்த்து சொல்லு எஸ்ஹெச்இ
Turn your head this side. Come on.
எஸ்ஹெச்இ
Danvin's mom.
அப்புறம் இது இது இந்த படி இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ்
IS.
ஐஎஸ் சத்தமா
IS is
அப்புறம் இத படி
IT.
ஐடி இது எங்க வந்தது இந்த படி இந்த வேர்ட் படி ஹெச்ல இருந்து படி
S.
ஆ
A.
ஆ
P.
ஆ
Y.
இன்னொரு பி இருக்கே
Happy.
Happy. It's Happy. Happy. Okay, this one.
நெக்ஸ்ட் இது படி. அங்க பார்த்து படி, என்னையே பாக்குற? புரியல இல்ல?
Look at me, Dhanvin. Come on, look at the screen, Makana. I
am.
So
I am.
இது திரும்ப படி.
Yes.
ஆ
A.
ஆ
P.
ஆ
Y.
One P only you are saying. Why? 2 times you will not say. Happy.
P-P-Y.
What is that? Happy.
Happy.
Read this sentence.
இது படி. இது என்னது? படி.
Cat.
What happened to Dhanvin today?
சிஏடி கேட்டுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன இருக்கு?
Muted.
இது பாரு தன்வின் தான், இங்க பாரு.
THE. Okay, Dhanvin, I'm going to move on to the next child, Dhanvin. Come on, read it fast.
சீக்கிரமா படி.
TSC.
the அப்புறம்
Cat.
அப்புறம்
IS is.
அப்புறம்
IS is.
IF if இல்ல, இங்க பாரு, இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ்
Look
பாரு.
at the screen. Concentrate. F.
F
F.
ஆ
A.
ஆ
T.
என்னது? FAT.
Look at the screen. Look at ma'am. Can you see ma'am? What is it?
கம்மி பியர் மோது பண்ணுவாங்க, என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க?
See, how is the cat, ma? How does the cat look?
கேட் எப்படி
How does the cat look?
தெரியல.
Fat. FAT. It's okay. Let him say. If he doesn't know, he will say that only. No, let him say. FAT. Fat.
Fat.
Okay. FAT is fat. Okay. Come on, this one. We have a position word here. Come on.
இது படி.
The.
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 ஆ
Cat.
ஆ
IS is.
அப்புறம்
UN.
UNDER. அங்க பாரு தன்வின்.
What is UNDER? Position word. It's a position word. We learnt already.
Under. அப்புறம் THE.
The.
இது அங்க ஸ்கிரீன் பாரு.
BED. Okay, I'll read out the sentence. Come on. BED.
என்னது இது? என்ன பிக்சர் அது? இதுக்கு அலறப்போ மேம் ஒன்னு சொன்னாங்க.
Very mood out today. Okay, Dhanvin, there is nothing. If you don't know also, I'm here to teach you. Why are you crying for that? It's bed. Whether he's frightened that you will scold him or something, are you scolding him?
No, he doesn't have the mood to attend the class, ma'am.
Yeah, it's very moody. I can see him. Yes, Dhanvin. No need to worry, Dhanvin. Okay. Okay, next is Siddharth. Siddharth, no crying, Dhanvin. You know already that I don't want any of my children to cry. Okay, so don't cry. Next is Siddharth.
Sorry,
Siddharth,
ma'am.
finish it. Siddharth will. No issues. It happens. Okay, come on, Pranita, read out.
It's okay. Next.
Pranita, read it out. The. On the mat. Very good, Pranita. But the whole sentence is the cat is on the mat. Okay.
The cat is on the mat.
Okay, come on, read it.
The cat is under the bed.
Wow, Pranita. Unbelievable, Pranita. Very good. Now this one. Super, Pranita.
The cat is under the
No. FAT.
FAT.
At. What is it? FAT. Fat.
FAT. Fat.
Okay. Next.
I am happy.
Wow, Pranita. Only you can make this, Pranita. This one.
She is happy.
Very good. She is happy. Okay. Thank you so much, Pranita. Well done. I've improved a lot, Pranita. Okay. Thank you, children. We are going to start our session. Ma'am is going to come back. Who is going to say Kidsy Anthem today, children? Who is going to say Kidsy Anthem today? Who is going to say? Come on. Children, unmute and tell me who is going to say Kidsy Anthem. Satvika. Hashni, you said already, right? So Satvika will say today. Okay, Satvika? Ready? Okay, all of you join your hands and close your eyes, children. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Yes, Satvika. Start, Satvika. Kidsy Anthem.
Kidsy Anthem. Yaar with me. Yaar in my potential inside. Yaar with me. Beneath my flight. Beautify me. My potential inside. Today I pledge all my might. I shall achieve my potential inside.
Yes, very good, Satvika. High five. High five. Yeah, very good. Well done, Satvika. Thank you so much. Children, unmute yourself and tell me a big good morning, everyone. Good morning. Is everyone are very sleepy? Come on. Okay, very good morning, children. Mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself. Come on. Thank you so much. Mute yourself, everyone. Ready for the activity? Yes, all of you are ready? Yes, come on. Look at the screen. What is this? What is it? What is it? Laugh. Come on. How will you laugh? I want all of you to laugh. Yes, very good. What is this? What is this? Run. Yes, how will you run? Running. Should not run out of the room, okay? Run in your place itself, okay? Next is, what is it? Daddy, come on. What is it? STAND. Stand. It is stand. It's not studying. Stand. Okay, come on, stand. Okay, good. Next is, what is this girl doing? DANCE. Dance. How will you dance? How will you dance? Ritvila. Ritvik. Ritvik, do the activity, Ritvik. Yes, very good, Rohita. Next is WALK. What is it? WALK? Jumpa. Is it jump? No. What is it? WALK? Walk. Very good, Satvika. Walk. Walk, walk, walk. Walk. No jumping, Kavyani. It's walk. You should walk. Walk. Next is, what is this? SIT. 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 Come on, sit.
Sit down.
Sit down. Sit. Okay, very good. Sit. Okay, next is JUMP. 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 Very good. Jump, all of you. Be careful. Be careful, children. Jump. Yeah, good. Next is, what is this? SLEEP. Sleep. How will you sleep? How will you sleep, children? Nikshita. How will you sleep? Zaidi, Nikshita and all. Oh my God. Okay, next is EAT. What is EAT? Pranita, do the action, Pranita. EAT. Eat. Come on, how will you eat? Eat. How will you eat? Satvika, you are out of focus, ma. I can't see you, Satvika. Okay. And this is CLAP. CLAP. Very good, Satvika. Clap. Very good. Clap, all of you. Unmute yourself and clap. Let me hear your clap sound. Come on. Actually, you can clap along with your mom or dad. One hand. You can join hands with her and you can do. Jahnavi, clap. Okay, very good. Vidyut and all. And next is D-R-I-N-K. It's not drinking. Drink. Only drink. I-N-G is not here. Okay, so only drink. Will you drink? Nukshita with pencil, huh? Be careful, Nukshita. Keep it down. Drink. Will you drink milk? Will you drink water? Drink. Very good, Vidyut. Next is main part. What is this? What is this? Oh no, Satvika. What is this? R-E-A-D? What is this boy doing? Read. What is this boy doing? Read. How will you read? How will you read? Very good, Zeddy. Read. But Jahnavi is not reading. I can see. Yes, very good. Next is. What is it? F-L-Y. Fly. Come on, fly. Fly with both of your hands. Yes, fly like a bird. Fly. Yeah, very good, children. Thank you so much. Our attendance activity is over. Come on, drink one glass of water and come back. Be ready for the attendance session. Come on. Come on, all of you drink water and come back. Darshika. Darshika.
My name
Very good, Darshika. Devrakshita. Devrakshita is absent. Devkush is also absent. Danvin. Danvin.
I am in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Danvin. Dikshan. Dikshan is also absent today. Farnaz. Farnaz. Absent. Hashni.
My name is Azini. I am studying junior KG.
Well done, Hashni.
I am Gitchi girl.
Very good. Jahnavi.
My name is Janvi. I am studying junior KG. I am a Gitchi girl.
Very good, Jahnavi.
I'm a
Okay. Okay. Kartikeyan. Kartikeyan. Kavyani.
Hey, ma'am. My name is Kavi Ali. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old. I'm Gitchi girl.
Very good, Kavyani. Naitek.
My name is Naitik. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good.
4 years old.
Very good, Naitek. Nukshita.
My name is Nuchita. I'm studying junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Very good, Nukshita. Pranita.
Good morning, my name is I am Pranita. I am studying junior KG.
Why so sad, Pranita? What happened? Smiley face. Where is your smiley face? Smile. No sad face. Okay, smile. Okay, good girl. Next is Rohita.
My name is Soita. My name is Soita. And I saw I'm junior KG.
Very good, Rohita. Ritvik. Ritvik.
My
Come on.
name is Ritvik. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Ritvik. Nitila. Nitila.
My name is Nitila. Studying in junior KG.
Very good, Nitila. Satvika.
My name is Chatikati. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Satvika. Siddharth.
My name is Siddharth. I am studying in junior KG. First of Monday.
Very good, Tarnika. Tilakar. Absent. Ishank. Ishank is there? No. Vivan.
My name is Vivan. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Vivan. Vidyut. Vidyut.
I am the Vidyut 4 years old.
4 years old. I'm
Studying
studying in
in?
junior KG.
Studying in junior KG.
Very good, Vidyut. Zadi. Yeah, very good, Vidyut. Very good, Vidyut. Zadi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, Zadi.
My name is Teddy. I am my fantasy.
I am 4 years old. Let me answer.
What happened, Zadi?
My name is 4 years old. I am studying junior KG.
Okay, very good, Zadi. Lakshana. Lakshana. Lakshana, is there? I'm marking you, Lakshana. I saw you in the morning. Okay, children. Coming back. Okay, children, let us finish our rhymes. What rhyme shall we sing today? Spider or you want butterfly rhyme? Under a web? Shall we finish it off with that? Yes? Under a web beside the gate, the spider hangs, his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee, 6 black furry legs as she. Okay, next is the butterfly rhyme. First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss. Yes, another one rhyme, new rhyme I taught you. Do any of you remember that? What rhyme I taught you? Yes? Tall short. Yes, who knows that rhyme? Who knows? Nobody, huh? Nobody learned that rhyme? Okay, ma'am will sing for you, okay? Oh, where has my little dog gone? Oh, where can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Oh, where can he be? Yes, one more time. Oh, where has my little dog gone? Oh, where can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Oh, where can he be? Yes, on Monday I'm going to ask you this rhyme. Children, be ready for that. Okay, children, I'm going to show you. We are going to have an activity. You have to identify that animal, whether it is a farm animal, wild animal, marine animal, amphibian, or reptile, or extinct animal. All these animals we have learnt already. So I'm going to show you the pictures and I'm going to ask you to identify the picture. Ready, all of you? Are you able to see my screen, children?
Yes,
Is you are able to see? Yeah, good. First is Siddharth. Siddharth, what is the farm animal here? Come on. Name it.
Horse.
Horse. Very good. What? Okay. What is the wild animal here?
Tiger.
Tiger. And then? That's it.
Horse.
Horse. Horse the wild animal, huh?
No.
No. Then why did you say? Okay. Next is Zadi. Zadi. Zadi is there? No. Huh? Okay. Dhanvin. Dhanvin, tell me what is the marine animal here?
Marine animal. Hello, yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Name.
What is it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you see? Marine animal.
Ma'am, he's pointing out, ma'am, but he's not
Pointing
saying.
out. Okay. Okay, what is the wild animal here? Say the name. Now, this you know, I think. Come on. What is the wild animal here?
Lion.
Lion. Farm animal?
Cow.
Cow. Very good. Okay, next. Zadi. Now you can see me, Zadi. Zadi. Okay. Can you see the screen, Zadi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on.
Yes,
See here. Which is the marine animal here?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the marine animal here? Point it out and tell me
Yes,
the
ma'am.
name of that animal. Marine animal. Unmute, ma. Okay, I don't see Zeddy here. Okay, Satvika. Satvika. What is the marine animal here, ma? What is here? Come on, look at the screen and tell me. Stingray. Very good. And can you see any wild animal here?
Peacock.
Peacock. Wild animal. Wild animal. What is it?
Lion.
Lion is here, huh? Is the lion screen going on your laptop? No. What is it?
Dinosaur.
Rhino. Yes, rhino. Rhinoceros is there. Okay. Nightic. Nightic. What is the reptile you can see here?
Whale.
Huh?
Whale.
Reptile, ma.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur screen is here, huh? Nightic. Look at the screen and answer Nightic. You can see three pictures here. What is the reptile here? Very good, Zaidi. Zaidi told the right answer. Yes, mute yourself, Nightic. Zaidi, come on, say, ma. Which is the reptile here? Crocodile. Okay, next. Next one. Next one. What is it? Chameleon. Very good, Zaidi. Well done. Okay, next. This one. Who is going to say this? It's going to be Nukshita. Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Point out the animals and say which type they belong to.
Carrot.
Hey,
Carrot.
what? More? What is this one? This one. What is this?
Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo is a farm animal or wild animal?
Tell me, ma.
Wild animal or farm animal? Huh?
No.
Farm animal. Chuchu, have you seen kangaroo in farm? No, right? They live in forest only, no? So it's a wild animal. Okay. You can see the dinosaur here. Dinosaur is a what animal? What animal? Farm animal, wild animal or extinct animal? Oh, you were absent on that day. Were you absent on that day? Extinct animal. Extinct animal. Okay, Nukshita. Extinct animal. Okay, ma? Okay, next. See here, children. These are all the extinct animals. Nukshita, you were absent on that day, no? So now you listen, okay? These are all the extinct animals, children. Dinosaur, dodo, and mammoth. So what are the extinct animals? Come on, tell me. Dinosaur, dodo, and mammoth. Okay, hereafter, if ma'am is asking you what is the next extinct animal, have to say any one of these. Okay, children. So ma'am is going to come back. And today's worksheet is based on this only, children. It's D74CT. It's D74CT. Come on, take your worksheet. Write today's date. Today's date is 2/9/29/10/2020. It's D74CT. Here you are going to help this mammoth on the top of this snowy mountain. Okay? Come on. Show him the way, children. Write today's date and start doing this worksheet. You are going to show the way for this mammoth. Let me see who is finishing it first. Finish it and show it to ma'am. Come on. Finished? Show me. Finished? Very good, Janavi. Well done. Okay, ma'am is also going to show you the way. Very good, children. Very good. Yeah, it is going by this way. Anyway, if you go also, you can go to that mountain, children. I am going this way. Yes, on top of the snowy mountain. Yes. Anyway, you can go, children. This way also you can go. Wherever you go, you can reach that mountain. Okay? Yes, next is D75CT. Next worksheet is D75CT. Write today's date, children. Yes, very good. I know you will finish it fast, children. Come on, take your next worksheet. Here you are going to circle the extinct animals and birds.
Extinct animals, Siddharth. Extinct.
Extinct animals. There are 3 pictures I showed you today. 2 animal and 1 bird.
Animals.
Yes?
Extinct animals என்னென்ன?
Extinct animals.
Mammoth.
Mammoth.
Circle பண்ணு.
Next. First is, who is going to tell me the answer for extinct animal? Dhanvin.
Ma'am.
Number.
Dodo. Okay. Next is Darshika. Darshika. Dhanvin said it is dodo. Next extinct animal, what is there? What is the next extinct animal? 3 animals are here. 1 we already circled. 2 are here. What is that? Tell me. Any one? Extinct animal. Elephant is an extinct animal, Yes or no? No. Tiger? No. Dinosaur? Can you see dinosaurs now? In real? Yes or no? No, you can't see. So, dinosaur is a what animal? What animal, ma? Extinct animal. Okay, extinct animal means they no longer live on our land. Okay, they lived many years ago. Okay, now they don't exist.
Ma'am, again tell me page number, ma'am.
Page now. It's worksheet number D75CT.
But ma'am, not is equal, ma'am. CT. This one.
CT you don't have D75.
This one page number, ma'am. CT 75 CT.
75 CT. Okay, there you have the same picture, right? The same exercise is given. What is the heading given there?
And pictures are slightly different, ma'am.
Pictures are different, it's okay, but the exercise is same, right? Circle the extinct animals only, no?
Yes, ma'am. Exercise is same.
Extinct
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that you can circle. Only circle only the extinct animal. If the pictures are different, it's not an issue.
Okay.
The final one is mammoth, children. Anyhow, we are going to circle only these 3 animals, extinct animals. Yes, finish. Those who finish circling, take D73 empty. D73 empty. Finish writing your date. Satvika. Satvika. Satvika, are you writing, Satvika?
Yes, ma'am.
Satvika, come on, count along with ma'am. Count along with ma'am, Satvika. Come on. 10.
10,
20, 30, 40,
30,
50, and
15,
51. 5, 1, 51.
5,
On the next also, come on, Janavi. Count along with ma'am, Janavi. First we'll finish counting and then we'll write. Janavi. Come on, count with ma'am, Janavi. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. 5 to 52. Spell and write, children, then you will not know the numbers. Spell and write. 5, 1, 51, 5, 2, 52. Zeddy, are you writing?
Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, do it.
Five, 151.
Yeah, very good. 5, 1, 51. Nitila. Nitila.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I've
Yes,
given you the
ma'am.
worksheet numbers. That only you are doing, no? Nithila's mom?
மேம் நேத்து
Nithila's
நீங்க
mom.
கொடுத்த நேத்தே முடிச்சாச்சு மேம்.
Yesterday
ஒர்க்ஷீட்
itself you
நம்பர் நேத்தே
finished.
முடிச்சாச்சு.
Okay, today you are doing the
எஸ்
new
மேம்.
worksheet. What number is that?
எஸ் மேம். டி ஸ்மால் லெட்டர் பி.
Sorry?
ஸ்மால் லெட்டர் பி.
Small letter
ஸ்மால்
B.
லெட்டர் பி மேம்.
Okay, number, worksheet number. I'll note it down.
D11 LT.
D11 LT. Okay, in that D11 itself, then means you finish it off with MT also.
எஸ் மேம்.
And CT, what worksheet you have? Can you please check and tell me? D11 CT, what do you have?
D11 CC.
CT.
Just a minute ma'am.
Okay.
D11 CT. No ma'am. LT.
LT,
PH.
MT only is there, huh?
MT, LT. Just one ma'am. D11 LT, MT, PH. D11
Phonic
PH.
is there. Okay then. CT is not there.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Finish it off with this. Regularly, is she watching that phonic rhyme?
Yes,
Nitila.
ma'am.
Yes, ma. Okay, Nukshita. Nitila, are you watching the phonic rhyme, ma? Nitila.
Ma'am.
She is watching, huh?
Yes ma'am.
She is watching. Okay, then she knows the sound. Can you please tell me the sound, Nitila? Nitila, what is this?
Ma'am, uncle.
Nitila, first tell me the letter. What is this?
Huh?
Okay, Siddharth, mute yourself, ma.
என்ன லெட்டர்னு கேக்குறாங்க மேம். அது என்ன லெட்டர் சொல்லு மேம் கிட்ட.
What letter is this? Yesterday you wrote in your worksheet also. What is this?
Yeah.
A. Okay, this one?
What is this?
What is this? You tell me. You are asking me, huh? What is this? B.
மேம் சொல்லுங்க.
Okay, look here, Nitila, look here. Standing line. Look here, ma, Nitila. Standing line. Front side girl. It is B. Okay. Nithila's mom, you will have one worksheet. First, you will have a letter worksheet. In that, she has to do it with her pointer finger.
Okay ma'am.
Okay, I'll show you one worksheet. 1 minute. She's having any worksheet like this with a big picture. She will have number 1 here. You will have to go from 1 and then 2 like that. Trace it with the pointer finger first.
Okay, ma'am.
ஓகேங்களா? அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் எழுத வைக்கணும்.
Okay, ma'am.
Who else finished, children? Siddharth finished, right? Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on, read this word, Siddharth.
Am.
We finished, ma. Inna. This one, ma. This one. This one. As. What happens, Siddharth? A is looking like I for you. Focus, Siddharth. Concentrate. No playing. Come on. At. Very good. Next is? Very good. Very good. Is. If. OF on, ON on. Ox. Very good. Next. This which you know. Come on. B. Next. Go. Two. Oh my God. This one.
No.
S-O. What is the sound of S?
So.
Good. N-O.
No.
No. D-O. D-O.
Dog.
See, D-O is do. T-O is two. Okay, it's not toe and do. Okay, T-O means it is two. Yes, D-O is do. Okay, so that. Now this one. B-Y. By.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Okay, it's okay. I'm just checking whether he's knowing. Whatever he knows, let him read. No issues. B-Y. When they say they don't know only, I can teach them. Let them say that. No issues. B-Y. By. Siddharth, if you don't know, you have to tell ma'am that, ma'am, I don't know, ma'am. Okay? Yes, don't look at your mama. I will teach you. Okay? Come on. M-Y. B-Y is by. Very good, Siddharth. See, B-Y is by. M-Y is my. See here, Siddharth's mom, he is assuming the word, right? So you please don't say that he doesn't know. Let him tell me. M-E. M-E. M-E.
My.
M-Y is my. M-E. Me. 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 Very good. U-S. 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 Us. U-S. Us. Us. Okay. U-P. Up. Up. Okay. W-E. We. Okay. B is B. W is we. M is me. Okay. Very good, Siddharth. Well done, Siddharth. Well done. Okay, next, who finished? Siddharth, mute yourself. Next, who finished, ma?
Dhanvin
Next,
finish.
who finished? Dhanvin. Come on, Dhanvin. Finish it off with these words. Come on.
Fast. Tuck, tuck, tuck. எல்லாமே தெரியும். படி. ஏய் முன்னாடி இது என்னது? ஓயின் இல்ல அது என்ன பாரு கரெக்டா பாரு.
Can't see, yeah?
You
Can
see,
you
ma'am?
see?
Yes,
Ah,
ma'am.
okay.
அதுக்கு முன்னாடி சத்தமா சொல்லணும். அங்க பாரு. இது என்ன மேம் பாயிண்ட் பண்றது என்னது? என்னது அது?
IN in. ON. Very good. High five, Dhanvin. You're reading it very fast. Very good boy. Okay, next. Next.
இது படிக்கணும்.
BE. If you don't know also, don't worry, Dhanvin. I'm going to teach you, okay? You don't know, you say, ma'am, that. Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am. Okay, come on. BE. B. 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 BE. B. B. Okay. GO.
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Go. Very good. TO. 2.
தெரியல மேம்
Two.
பாரு.
SO. So.
மேம் பாரு மேம் சொல்றாங்க.
NO. No. Okay. DO. Do. Okay. This one. BY. By. MY. My. ME. Me. US. Us. UP. Up. WE. We. Very good. Janvi finished. Thank you so much, Dhanvin. Janvi finished. Who is that? Janvi or Satvika? Who is that? Please tell me your name. Janavi. No, thank you. No, vanakkam and all. It's only in Tamil class, Janavi. Okay? Come on. What is this, Janavi? Read it first.
Louder.
I can hear. You tell me. Janavi. Janavi, all the other children are waiting, Janavi. Come on, read it fast. THE. IS. IF. 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 IT. 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 IN. ON. OX. Very good. This one. Let me see. BE. Yesterday you were there, Janavi? Yesterday you were absent? BE. B. Children, those who finished also listen. BE. B. G-O, go. G-O, go. T-O, two. T-O, two. S-O, so. S-O, so. N-O, no. N-O, no. D-O, do. D-O, do. B-Y, buy. B-Y, buy. M-Y, my. M-Y, my. M-E, me. M-E, me. U-S, us. U-S, us. U-P, up. U-P, up. W-E, we. W-E, we. Very good. Okay, thank you so much, Janavi. Next is Zadi. Zadi, come on, read it out.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Look at the screen.
A-M.
AM.
Zadi. That dekho, Zadi. A-M.
Today.
A-N.
N.
N.
Look at the screen.
N.
And S.
Yes.
S.
Yes.
S. Okay. A-T. At. Okay. T-H-E. T-H-E. What is T-H-E? The. Very good, Zedi. O-F.
O-F.
O-F. What is the sound of O? What is the sound of O? Off. O-F. Off. Okay. Next, this one.
I-F each.
Very good. I-F. I-F.
I-F if.
If. Very good. I-T.
I-T it.
Very good, ma. Next one. I-N.
I-N.
I-N. In. O-N. O-N.
O-N.
On. Very good. O-X. O-X. Ox. Very good. This one. Yesterday you didn't come, right? Come on, see here, Zaddy. B-E. Yeah, that's what I'm teaching you. B-E-B. G-O. Go. Repeat, Zaddy. Come on, repeat. G-O. Go.
G-O go.
T-O.
T-O
S-O. So.
S-O so.
N-O. No.
N-O no.
Next is D-O. Do.
E-O do.
D-O. Do. B-Y. Buy.
B-Y-Y.
Buy. M-Y. My.
M-Y my.
M-E. Me.
I-E me.
M-E. Me.
M-E me.
U-S. Us.
U-S us.
U-P. Up.
U-P up.
W-E. We. W-E. We. Very good, Zaidi. Okay, tomorrow I'll ask you. On Monday, I'll ask you one more time. Next is Darshika. Darshika. Yeah, I'll call you, Pranita. Morning also you read the sentence, right? We have to give chances for everyone, Kana, okay? Don't cry for that. I'll call you. I'll call you, ma Pranita. Don't worry for that, okay? I want Darshika to answer. Darshika,
Yes,
come
ma'am.
on, read out this. Darshika's mom. Darshika's mom. Can you please log in little early, Darshika's mom? Because I didn't watch how she is reading the sentence till now. Only one time she read, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, a little bit early. Okay.
Okay.
A.M.
And
Very good. A.N.
அந்த சொல்லுங்க.
A.N. That's it. She forgot. See? A.N. An. A.S.
சொல்லுங்க.
Correct only you say, ma. If it is wrong also, what ma'am is going to do? Nothing ma'am is going to do, right? I'm going to teach you. That's it. A.T.
atte.
Very good. T.H.E.
The
The
O.F.
of
Very good. I.S.
சொல்லுங்க.
I.S. is. Then I.F.
சொல்லுங்க. கரெக்டா சொல்லுங்க.
I.F.
IF if
Whatever
சொல்லுங்க.
you know, you say, ma. Darshika. If it is wrong, it's okay, Darshika. Okay. I.F. If. Okay. I.T.
It
I.N. In. I.N. In. O.N.
in
O.N. Correct only say.
On.
On. O.X.
ox.
Very good, Darshika. Very good. First, we'll finish it off with this. Then we'll go to the next set of words. Okay, I think this you don't know. You know any of these? You know any of these?
No, ma'am.
Right? Okay, I'll teach you later. First, you finish this set of words, sentence reading. Then we'll go to the next one. Okay, children, I want all of you to take your English notebook. Come on. Yesterday, we wrote 5 words, right? Can anybody read for me? What are the words we wrote yesterday? What are the words we wrote yesterday, ma? Who wrote it? Yeah, come on. Danvin, Vidyut, Siddharth, Pranita. Anyone, come on, read for me. Yeah, come on, Satvika. Read what we wrote yesterday. Anyone. Anyone. Can okay, Satvika, come on, read.
B.
Satvika, sit properly in your chair first. Otherwise I will not at all ask you, Satvika. You have to sit properly and then only you have to answer. Okay? Everyone are watching you, right? Come on.
Yes, sir.
First you read out, ma. Okay, Satvika, you write the date. Siddharth, come on, read it out. What is that? What we wrote in English notebook yesterday, January, February, yeah. No, right, yesterday we wrote 5 words. Yes, what was that? B-E-B. Yeah, Pranita, read ma. B-E. Etihatta. No, not that one. Yesterday we wrote this one. B-E-B. G-O go. T-O-to. S-O so. And N-O no. Correct. Today another 5 words we are going to write. Another 5 words we are going to write. Write today's date, children, and write D-O do. D-O do. Write today's date and write. Take a fresh page. Write today's date. Only 5 words we are going to write. Don't write this way. Write this way. Column wise you have to write. Okay? D-O do. Vidyut. Come on, Vidyut. D-O do.
Ma'am, shall I ask
Finish.
him to write in capital letters, ma'am?
Yeah, no, small letters only he should write.
Small letters he didn't start, ma'am.
Take his worksheet and give it to him. Don't make him sit simply. Give him that worksheet. Small
No,
letters
ma'am,
worksheet you have.
he was learning capital small letters only, ma'am.
That's what he can write in worksheet, right?
Okay, ma'am.
You continue with the worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Only the main sheets you do it. Another rest of the sheets you leave it. You'll have the main sheet till F, right? That
Yes, ma'am.
sheets only you trace it. That is enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Vidyut. Wonderful, Vidyut. Come on, you write your worksheet, Vidyut. Well done, Vidyut. Get him a chocolate, Vidyut's mom.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Makana. Next. D-O, do. Finish, children. Next word is B-Y, buy. Next is B-Y, buy. You should write like this. B-Y, buy. Number 2. Write number 2 and write. B-Y, buy. B-Y, buy. Kavyani, are you writing, Kavyani? Yes, B-Y, buy. Third one, M-Y, my. M-Y, my. Zadi. Don't play, Zadi. Come on, write. Along with this words, you have to write, Zadi. From B, you have to write in your notebook. This you didn't write. Yesterday you were absent, right? This also you should write. Be, go, to, so, and all you have to write. Okay? Finished? M-Y, my children. Who finished? M-Y, my. Naitik finished?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Finished, Danvin? Okay, next is M-E, me. Number 4. M-E, me. Write number 4 and write M-E, me. M-E, me. Janavi. Right, Janavi. Mama is holding your hand and writing, huh? Janavi's mom. No. Please. She doesn't know also what you should do. Means you have to write in one side and give it to her. Let her look at that and write. No holding hands here. After she is junior KG now. Please, parents. No, Janavi. You're a big girl, right? Yes or no? No, small girl. No. You know how to answer for everything. Come on. One time you write and give it to her, Janvi's mom. Let her look at it and write. No holding hands. Janavi? No. Janavi, come here, Janavi. Come to your chair first. Janavi, ma'am is not going to talk to you hereafter, Janavi, if you are doing like this. Come on, come to your chair. I thought Janavi is a good girl. See? Come on. Come. Sit. Finish your work and go and play. Have lot of time to play. Now only 1 hour you are going to attend the class, right? Come on, write. I know you will write. Come on. She is writing. Give her 3 smileys, Janavi's mom. 3 smileys. You don't want smiley? And the last word, number 5, is W-E-V. Last word is W-E-V. W-E-V. Finish with that? Darshika, finish? Zeddy, this also you should write Zeddy. B-E-B. G-O, go. T-O, S-O, so. N-O, no. This also you should write. Those who have written, no need. Yes, finish. Vivan. Finish, Vivan. Vivan. Yes, very good, Pranita. Finish, Vivan. Very good. Written, Pranita, good. Tanvin, good. Pranita, very good, Pranita.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma. Yes, very good, Danvin. Next, who else finished? Natik.
Ma'am. I think.
Good, Natik. Very good, Natik. Well done. Show me Satvika. Very good, Satvika. Well done, Satvika. Continued, huh? Very good. Good. Rohita, finish. Rohita, finish, huh?
I'm not finished.
Last two.
Still writing, huh? Last is M-E, me, and W-E-V.
My.
M-E, me, W-E-V.
W-E.
Others also finish.
U-P up. U-S. Dada. Apudi choose ikkada.
Yes, very good.
Choose.
Yeah, good.
Yeah,
Hashni.
Choose.
Hashni.
Mere asne kada choose.
Hashni, are you there? Hashni.
Gap. Ikkada.
Hashni, who is noting down for you, Hashni?
Ma'am, myself, I'm
Yeah, you are noting it down. Okay.
Yes.
You know the words, Hashni? Can you read it out for me? B-E.
B.
B.
What is that? B.
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 Ma'am, Terila, ma'am.
B. Very good, Hashni. Like that only you should say, but you should say, I don't know, ma'am. Okay. B-E-B. B. Okay. This one, G-O.
G-O.
Boy.
G-O.
G-O.
Go.
Go. T-O.
Givo.
T-O. Two.
Two.
And then S-O.
So.
N-O.
No.
No. D-O. Do.
Do.
Do. And then B-Y. Buy. B-Y. Buy. M-Y. My.
My.
M-E. Me.
Mine enna, ma'am?
It's my book. It's my pencil. It's my toy. Ennodadu. You'll say no? It's mine. Ennoda toy. Will you say that? For that only you will use my. Okay. M-E. Me.
Mine enna, ma'am?
Me means if you do something wrong, when your mama is asking who did this, and what will you say? It's me, I only did it. Yes, it's me. Like that will you say, no? That is what. Okay. U-S.
So.
U-S. Us.
Us.
U-P. Up.
Up.
W-E-V.
P.
Very good. Like this you learn all these words. Once your hand gets okay, we'll write. Okay, ma? Okay. Thank you, children. Hope everyone have finished your writing work. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Bye, children. Bye, everyone.
Bye,